This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the blades on your Blade Foam Saw version 2. Before replacing the blades, we want to be sure to unplug the saw. To replace the blades in the Blade Foam Saw, we'll first release these two set screws in the block located at the top of the blades. We don't want to remove these set screws, just loosen them. Next, we'll release one of the two screws on the gate that holds our blades in place. Then flip the gate up, slide the blades downward, and pull them out. To remove the blades, pull upwards and outwards, releasing the blades from the internal pin located near the base plate. When replacing the blades, make sure that the shiny silver side is facing outwards on both the stationary and moving blade. To reinstall the blades, we'll push the slotted end of our blades onto the internal pin located at the bottom of the shaft near the base plate. We'll then push the blades down and insert the blades into the metal block at the top of the saw. Make sure that the slot at the top of the stationary blade is in the proper position where you can slide the gate over it and lock that blade into place. This will prevent the blade from coming out when the saw is in use. Now we'll reinstall the nut on the gate and tighten it down until snug. We will now reinstall the gate with the bolt and nut that we removed earlier. We will then tighten them down securely. And finally, we'll tighten the set screws on the block at the top of the blades, making sure they're snug. And that's how you replace the blades in the Blade Foam Saw version 2. Each blade is sold separately. A moving blade and a stationary blade, both are required for the Sailrite Blade Foam Saw version 2 to work. If you have questions, be sure to give us a call or email. We're here to help.